So better done than perfect. I've waited for a year with a couple of attempts to start my vlog. This is who I am. This is what I eat. This is my sandwich with chocolate sprinkles. That's what we eat in the Netherlands. Born and raised in the Netherlands, but moved with my wife in 2017 to Australia and still loving the chocolate sprinkles. It's not about chocolate sprinkles. It is about Australian nature. That's the topic of my channel. The slogan is let's explore nature together. I hope to inspire you to go outside as well and explore the beautiful nature that we have around us. So I'm standing on this cliff, probably 20 meters high, and the termite nest where the kingfishers are is there. I'm getting really close now, so let's be very careful and quiet. And I can't wait. And mind your step as well, it's very steep here. I found my way down. I'm in front of the nest, and just be patient and wait. And it's not difficult to wait when you are surrounded by such beautiful nature. Awesome. I got a shot that I wanted. The kingfisher leaving its nest and the wings spread out. This is so cool. Awesome. Definitely worth the wait. I found this stunning feather. It has even some little bit of blue on it. So if you know from who it is, please let me know in the comments below. So this is pretty cool. I gained some trust with rainbow lorikeets. There it is. I can just walk around the tree. They think I'm just part of their environment now. I was sitting here for 30 minutes and they got used to me. And now I can get some great close-up shots. Thank you so much for joining me on this bushwalk adventure. I hope it inspired you to go outside and explore nature as well. So this is my first vlog and I want to make more, of course. So let me know what you want to see on my channel. And please like this video and subscribe, because that will help me reach even more people. See you in the next one.